HowExpert 5-minute Amazon KDP Kindle Direct Publishing Advertising/Ads/Marketing Tutorial. A quick and easy step-by-step training for self-publishers. Amazon ads through Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, give self-publishers a powerful way to promote their books, attract readers, and increase sales. This complete guide covers every step, from setup to optimization, along with expert strategies, tools, and templates to make your ads profitable. Log into your KDP dashboard and select the book you want to promote. Click Promote and Advertise next to the title. Then, select Run an Ad Campaign to enter the Amazon advertising platform. Amazon offers 3 main ad formats. Each serves different purposes. Sponsored product ads ideal for beginners. These target specific keywords and categories and show up in search results and product pages. Lock screen ads, Kindle e-readers. Displayed on Kindle devices and apps, these are great for reaching Kindle readers directly. Sponsored brand ads, best for showcasing multiple books, but require an Amazon advertising account outside KDP. Best for beginners. Start with sponsored product ads for simplicity and visibility. Amazon provides 2 targeting methods. Automatic targeting. Amazon selects keywords for you based on your book's metadata and genre. This is ideal for testing and learning. Manual targeting. You select specific keywords, categories, or products to target. This works best for fine-tuned strategies after testing. Pro tip: start with automatic targeting to collect data and later switch to manual targeting for higher control and performance. Keywords determine whether readers find your ad. Use these tools to identify the best keywords. Publisher Rocket research profitable keywords and categories. Helium 10, analyze competitors and trends. KDP Spy, find high-traffic keywords in your genre. Example keyword approach. For a romance novel, use keywords like romantic suspense novels, best-selling romance books, second-chance love stories. Add both broad and exact match keywords to cover variations readers may search for. Amazon ads work on a pay-per-click PPC model. You only pay when someone clicks your ad. Daily budget. Start with $5, $10 per day to test performance without overspending. Bidding strategy. Begin with 30 cents. 50 cents per click and adjust based on performance. Pro tip: use dynamic bidding, down only, to let Amazon lower your bids when ads are less likely to convert, saving money. Your ad text and visuals should instantly grab attention. Focus on book cover. Ensure it looks professional and eye-catching. Headline and copy. Highlight awards, ratings, or benefits like perfect for fans of thrillers and suspense. Call to action. Use phrases like read now or discover today to encourage clicks. Template example. Discover the #1 best-selling romance that readers can't put down. Available now on Kindle and paperback. After reviewing all details, click Launch Campaign to go live. Amazon typically approves ads within 24 hours. Monitor performance metrics in the advertising dashboard. Impressions. Number of times your ad is seen. Clicks. How many people clicked your ad? CTR, click-through rate. High CTR means your ad is engaging. Aim for 0.5% or higher. ACOS, advertising cost of sales, measures its spend versus revenue. Target ACOS below 30%. Pro tip: if ACOS is too high, pause underperforming keywords and reinvest in high-performing ones. Optimization is the key to scaling profits. Use these strategies to improve performance. Test different keywords. Regularly update keywords based on new trends and results. Split test ads. Create multiple ads with slight variations in copy or targeting to see what works best. Scale winning ads. Increase budgets for ads with low ACOS and high CTR. Add negative keywords. Exclude irrelevant search terms that waste your budget. Targeting too broadly. Focus on specific categories and long-tail keywords to avoid wasting money. Underbidding or overbidding. Start small, but don't be afraid to test higher bids on profitable keywords. Ignoring performance metrics. Regularly check data to adjust budgets and targeting for better results. Not testing creatives. Always test different headlines and visuals to see what resonates with readers. Running Amazon ads through KDP is one of the best ways to grow your book sales and visibility. By starting with simple campaigns, refining keywords, and optimizing based on performance, you can turn ads into a profitable, scalable strategy. Whether you're a beginner testing your first campaign or an experienced author scaling multiple books, the key is to test, track, and tweak for continuous improvement. Use this guide to confidently set up, run, and optimize your Amazon ads, and watch your book sales climb. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.